So on Friday there was a new page builder that was released at the WordPress plugin repositories called the unyson page builder, and as I was testing it, I discovered something very interesting that's driving Xena crazy for a couple of weeks now, if not more. So as out of curiosity, um, WR page builder is better than this. I think even site origin, especially the new beta version, the upcoming version, is better than this. But I needed to test it for myself. I have a brand new WordPress installation with only 2 plugins installed. I have the page builder and the query monitor just to check for uh, in this case I wanted to see any PHP errors that was showing up at any page, which there aren't any PHP errors. So I started, this is my Marie theme. I added the theme later on after building some of the pages. That's how I discovered what the problem is and how to fix it. Um, so I created a couple of pages with the site builder. It has sections, but those sections, they don't support full width. They go up to the page div, so you cannot have full width sections. So that was a big deal breaker for me. And I created a second one, and I'm calling this messed up because you're gonna see in a second. So if I wanted to get rid of the title, the metadata over here, and the widgets with Tuxedo themes, it's very simple. All you have to do is remove them and click on the update. The problem is that when I do it, in this case, all the settings, the new settings do not get saved, and I'm stuck with the old settings. Then I discovered that this is happening only in this page. So if I put the post title in this particular page, it's gonna work. It's taking the new option. Alright, and if I want to remove it for this particular page, it's no problem. So quickly I came to the conclusion why this is happening. And the reason was happening because I met up this page initially with the 2012 theme, and I changed the default template from default template to full width. Okay, and that's the only page I played with the page templates with, and that's where the problem is happening. That's the reason why only this page has this problem. And in order for me to fix it, yeah, I can open the database, go to the appropriate table and start deleting stuff, but there is a much easier fix. All I have to do is go to all the pages that I'm using a different page template than the default one, and in this case, out of the 4 pages, there's only one, and then changing back to the default, and then I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna load up 2012. I'm gonna go to my messed up page. I'm gonna edit it, and I'm gonna change the template to the default template. That's it. The problem is gone. The problem is fixed. Now, in Xena's case, she was having this problem because she initially had created the pages with templateer, and only few pages this problem was showing up. And I bet those are the pages that she used templateer to load up different page templates. And it never really occurred to me that loading up the templateer theme and then revert everything back to the default template to fix the problem. I thought it was a matter of template here because that's buggy. It's not coded correctly, but apparently it's going to happen with any other theme that you use and you change the template from default to anything else that comes with that particular template. So let me prove my point. I'm going to change back to my theme. I'm going to load up that page, and I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to get rid of that, and I'm going to get rid of the sidebars. And this time it's going to stick. So we're good to go. And as final proof, there it is. So my suggestion would be that not to build a page using another theme and then change it to a tuxedo theme. If you can, if it's possible, design your website from scratch with a tuxedo theme. And if, if if that's not going to be the case, then you have to load up the original theme, whatever that is, and if there are any pages or posts that you change the page template, revert it back to the default one, so you're not going to encounter this problem.